So here, as we had said in this thing here, nope, I can't do that either because I don't have pulse. Okay, so we have an end stream, and then this would be a start stream. This nifty, but not really needed, as far as I can see. Just cool, but I don't need it. Alive, which is one of the things we had put in the red mine. This would be useful, time streamed. This is useful to people viewing. Thumbs up is not useful at all. And then here is your sharing, which in this case you don't need this, but you do need this, and not a start from. And in the case of sharing, I'm going over to the red mine again. So in the case of sharing, you need to be able to open the sharing. You need to be able to copy the link. That link, you can send it however it is you want. WhatsApp, whatever you want to send it, you can send it. One thing I was thinking is this is your computer at the Kingdom Hall, correct? And you probably won't be sending a text message or a WhatsApp through this computer, correct?
Right.
So my thinking is, how do you get this link into your phone quickly?
QR code.
Exactly. So that's what I was thinking. Something like that you can just scan it, boom, and then it like maybe QR code opens an app or something. I don't know. Open with, and then you can choose my WhatsApp, and then you just send it. Here's your invitation. In addition to having a shareable link, the link has an expiration date. Every link you create will expire in 90 days or 180 days, as an example. You'll be able to delete that link, which is the same as expire the link, and then create a new link. So say, for example, everything's good. You make a link, you share it for 6 months, and you're like, hey, dear brothers, we're gonna send you another email, another text message. This is for the next 6 months. Or somebody you're sharing a link with is fellowshipped, or you need to refresh it for security reasons. You should be able to just renew invitation or something like that. When you renew it, it tells you the same thing. A new link will automatically be generated. Please just use this new link to share with others. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So the link is not specific
to the event.
To the event.
It's specific to the channel.
To the stream, and if there's nothing streaming, you'll see nothing.
Exactly. And the congregations will not stream different events. They'll only stream their meetings. There will be no DVR, no recordings, nothing. So when they push start, it's just live. The link is just for you to have access to their channel, because they only have one thing they can share.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay. So then we need some type of link renewal or something, which will allow you to cancel that link and then create another one. And then up here, viewers, how many people are tied in. And then somewhere, and it doesn't need, none of this needs to be where it is here. I'm just kind of giving you an example of how simple and clean this is. But however you think we could do it to make it, intuitive for our needs. And then settings need to be somewhere. Settings so that you can change your audio video, you can change your streaming qualities, things like that. So that the next time you start, it'll reflect the new settings you've chosen.
Yeah. Okay.
On the side of the viewer, they open the link, they get the player. If there's no video, a message will come up saying, please wait for the meeting to begin. And then the video every 10 seconds pulls and says, hey, is there anything new? Hey, and then when there's new, then it just starts playing automatically for you. In addition, when they push the link, what I was thinking is the very first thing they do is enter attendance. How many viewers? Oh, there's 4. Boom. Once they submit it, it's gone.
So this is outside the normal stream infrastructure?
Yes, that's the idea we have. The idea we have, potentially just for now, is this application is purely standalone, and it's talking to a backend that's serverless, that's just Lambdas and a Dynamo database with all the event IDs, just stuff like that. Nothing to do with stream, nothing. In the case of the viewer, HTML and CSS that we host in an S3 bucket that is usable as a CloudFront distribution. So there's no server. So when the person hits the link hits our API gateway. Our API gateway hits, the Dynamo database. It says, oh, this invitation is respondent to this, blah, blah, blah. It loads up the video, but all of that is static information. And the whole infrastructure is completely serverless. So when the app here creates an invitation, it's using the API gateway. The app is saying, hey, I have rights. I've logged in. Here's my congregation. Give me an invite, a new invite. It refreshes it. It takes that invitation, and in the Dynamo database, it matches it up to your congregation number, and then that's it.
Is that link going to be related to the login that's used to create it?
No. No, it's related to the congregation, not the individual. So you can log in as an elder if we were in the same congregation, you can log in, I can log in, and it doesn't matter who logs in. It's the invitation is not tied to you or me. It's tied to the congregation's account.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then I mean, now if you're sharing meetings and recordings, all of that is completely separate. That's that is personal. This is just video conferencing, basically, at its very simplest form if possible.
Work on that piece.
Cool.
So if you can make up a new mock-up and go through the list. If you have questions, just write me, and then let's see if we can start mocking this stuff up, and then seeing what we can do to put something together that's relatively simple and usable.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
You want me to start with that initial setup or further down the?
I would say start first with further down the list. Skip the initial setup because we're not doing that first. That'll be more something like, I mean, we will obviously have to do that, but once the app is actually working, once we actually have the back end, then we'll do that part of it. But yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah, we can start with starting a stream and sharing and stuff like that.
Sounds good.
Cool, man. Thank you, bro.
All right, yeah, no problem.
All right, I'll be here this morning.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let you know what I come up with.
Cool.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Because of habitat needs to be published. Yeah. Yeah. So it's like that, the AW, those are three big things. The DPT glue, AWS cache, and then run privilege mode. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. All right. Thanks. See you. Bye. Okay. Was dynamic way to create dynamically. It worked on these other.
Señor. Hey.
No.
Okay, perfect. Okay. IPTV or something, right? Okay, cool. Less work for us. I'm good with that. Right now, I'm good with that. Oh, for sure, for sure. Oh, well, the thing is, everything is fluid. Everything is moving. I mean, it's like what last night I think it was. We got the email about the GB and where they're gonna be, and now we need to correspond with those locations, and and then now we have the missionary walk for Spanish. That's just a little video that it's just like all over the place. Last night I finally uploaded the Spanish, so that's good. That's available, and then now Noel's gonna try to finish the English this morning, so that we can re-upload the English. This will be, I think, the third time. So we'll push that back up again. but it's getting there. It's getting there. Jehovah will definitely take care of it. But no, all the brothers are doing great. I find. I mean, everybody's moving. Yeah. 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 No, I mentioned to the brothers here often that it's not when you have a smaller department or like our crew, a smaller crew, you're able to move quickly and get things done quickly. Where normally if you're a big ginormous department, it's really hard to shift to something. Where here it's like, oh, we need to do this and this differently. It's like, oh, okay, give us a half a day, and where everybody jumps on it, and then you can figure something out. Um, but I said that's a really neat privilege that we have for sure. All right, my man. We'll talk. Let me know if anything. Ciao.
Probably the previous was I don't know. What am I doing? Oh no, this guy. I found two word gigs work much better. I'll leave it at two words. That's really easy to adjust to stop going to I like it. I have word gigs.
Nice job. All right, see you guys. Bye.
in the city.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had
Stuff. Israeli stuff.
but man, they make it really good.
Yeah.
You guys stayed in the city?
Hmm?
You guys stayed in the city?
No, we just went there for the day.
Oh, nice.
Went early. Yeah. It was good. Oh. What is it?
Oh, the dominant hand cell place?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It was oh man.
Yeah, that place is good.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be cold. I'm like, son, what is that?
There's a Jamba Juice next door. You just take
Oh my
them.
gosh. Some idiot in line. But what are your what are your lactose? Oh, poor God. Yours was the.
Is there gluten?
Yeah. It's like you're gonna print. Yeah, would.
Like going
Going into
butcher.
Whoa! Whoa!
We did join.
We're in line, dude.
We did do the fusion dance.
It's like going to a rock. Oh,
Oh wait, he's not. You want to play soccer with me?
can we pick up this?
We're going this weekend. We've got some weekend hotel vouchers that are expiring in like 2 weeks. We're going to spend 3 days nights. We have vacation. You just gave me a reminder for the drone at the place. I haven't been there in a long time.
You'll,
I don't know what's
maybe,
gonna be.
you should make it though. The 30th.
For what?
I will make it. Because every month they swap out.
Oh, right. Yeah, because I remember when we went, I've only been there twice, but I always liked their other flavor option than the original.
Like the DK.
DK, is that what it
Oh,
is?
yeah.
The DK,
Yeah,
oh.
they have a big, like,
That one's a regular thing though, right?
yeah, that's a regular.
I actually like the DK better than
And you don't have to spend money on it.
yeah, there's a separate line. Oh, that's what it was. Well, I mean, my lactose intolerance. My
DK is gluten-free.
Hey, so what are the credentials now for W1? You can,
it's best.
and do I need to update that somewhere?
I will give you here.
You did Cinnabite? Oh, that's what we're telling you.
Ring gloves, you have to remember the gloves. Yeah. They're handled for.
They are gross. That's actually a really good reminder.
It's like a different vibe.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
That is the most updated one. In fact, it might be wrong.
Oh,
In
yeah.
fact, this password
Mhm.
is not working.
Okay, yeah,
It is, and that I don't know who changed it. Well, the one I had changed is a viewer password, but see,
yeah.
somebody changed it. So now it is this one.
You didn't like it.
I just tested. I was like, hey, let me test this one. It might have been me by accident. I don't know.
But also,
This should help.
Should we switch it back?
No.
but
No.
also,
Okay.
So just leave that. So just when you open yours up,
Copy. Okay.
copy it.
And I guess 2 would be the watchtower would be.
I think that's probably the same. I don't know.
Okay.
Test that. And save that to your key pass,
Okay.
your work key pass.
Okay.
No, that one didn't change.
That didn't change. Okay.
And then we check the viewers I had to change because we had to emergency give them to somebody who was taking care of a GB member at the hospital.
Oh.
So I had to give them that. So then I changed that afterwards.
Okay.
But yeah, save it to your key pass for sure.
Okay.
And only leave it there, nowhere else. And delete it from the USB stick
Okay.
afterwards.
Okay. And should I let the guys know? Also.
Because I gave it to them yesterday. Well, I didn't give it to them yesterday. We put it in the admin key pass. But the admin key pass doesn't have that for duties. It has like the Akamai passwords and stuff.
Oh. But like, would like you and Jordan know?
that one changed? No.
Yeah.
No, you tell them that one changed. If you can, change that one password
Mm-hmm.
and then save it back to the USB.
Change that one password. Okay.
Save it back to the USB here,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
and then give it to Jordan to
Okay.
update the admin one.
Okay.
The copy of we have in admin.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
So we're using the new one, the MW whatever, right?
The one I just
Yeah,
posted on
using
mine.
that
So
one
you
moving
take the
forward.
one from the viewer, paste it in the streamer, resave
Exactly.
that file.
Exactly. Okay.
So, or let's just
can
fix
do
it. Let's just
Yeah.
fix it.
Oh. I can do it.
No, just to make sure that there's no.
It's like, for a nice meal, like $40. And if you want to be open your wine.
Okay, so here it's saved.
Right.
Oh, so it's already saved on.
Yeah,
Okay.
I didn't think I had saved
That
it.
was
Let me
the
do it
place
again.
because you could bike there.
No, sorry.
The USB.
Yeah, I opened the wrong spot.
I always, because we did that like our last month in Brooklyn, and we went a couple times. But I always thought, like, man,
Okay.
There you go.
All right. Okay.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
No problem.
oh yes, that's right across the street from the restaurant I'm talking about. But because I'm a huge barbecue fan, so we've only been there once. But whenever we walk by, I'm like, this is so good. Pretty good beer selection there too.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Done with this. The next thing is go to so all global kind of mean like not just global, but any developers global, like global, so the idea is like if you go to global on we're gonna change a lot. Go to infrastructure. And so they all have like this last group. The idea was that's all the schools deploy. Is you just make a secure group available that additional required support. Instead of saying all the ports, this will like say this project only needs these ports. So the thinking was you You feed that as a prompt, that's just a variable, and then you have only the ports required, not all. For this type of but what I was thinking, I don't know if it's- but when they do yoke flat create, then basically just grabs this template or something, keep it, but cultivate, create.
I'll give it to Jordan.
So then, like, it's just a dynamic thing. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Okay. Thank you. Oh. But here's the word I don't know. Not, I don't necessarily, because people are going to be subdivided. But this template is here, not. You just put last template in the open. There's have one for all the projects. That kind of makes sense. Like, they won't necessarily have access to these. Now, if you go to DevOps yoke, I think the security group now is it doesn't use those lab ones at all. It uses DTP as security that we use. But at first, it's very specific. We have one. The thing I don't know is how would it know what ports for project? And I don't know. Another thing I thought is, can you have but as a caller, how do I know what port to build?
Macho Man, ¿cómo te sientes? Qué cansan. Ah, bueno.
The other thought is, you just put,
Ok, ¿cómo te...? Aquí. Ok. Aquí está esta tarea. Ok. ¿Ves esta aquí? Esta es la que están terminando ahora. Fabio y Johnny agarró la de Jocelyn y Fabio agarró la de Josh. Lo que mencioné hoy en la reunión de Fabio es que Fabio, que está bien, lo hizo, pero Pero Fabio creó una tarea. Johnny terminó lo de uploading. Y está funcionando y está trabajando también. Fabio le hizo un review y escribió una tarea diciendo lo que necesita un review factor de 6 a 8 horas. Y ya dice, por rayos, lo acabo de terminar. Y esto es lo que me dijo. Ya, espérame, escribirlo.